Ever wish you could snag that must-have item online without that upfront payment sting? Today, we're diving into how Clearpay, also known as Afterpay, makes that a reality. First things first, find that item you love on a participating Clearpay online store. Browse your favorite shops, fill your cart, and head to checkout like you normally would. At the payment stage, you'll see a list of payment methods. Look for the Clearpay logo. It's usually right there alongside credit cards and PayPal. Click on it to select Clearpay as your payment option. Now, if you're new to Clearpay, you'll be prompted to create an account or log in. If you're already a user. For new users, you'll need to provide some basic information like your email, create a password, and verify your phone number. Once you've confirmed your details, Clearpay will show you a clear payment schedule. This breaks down your purchase into 4 equal, interest-free installments, usually paid every 2 weeks. You'll see the exact dates each payment is due, so there's no guesswork. After you confirm the payment schedule, you're all set. You'll receive a confirmation from Clearpay, and the online store will process your order as usual. Now you can enjoy your purchase while spreading the cost. So there you have it. A simple way to shop smart and pay over time. Happy shopping!